here is a case for the Nintendo Switch games. It holds 80 cases, 80 games in the case. So let's get into the unboxing, and that's it out of the box here. So we'll just put that off to the side, and we'll get right into here. Take the plastic off. I'll just set that off to the side. If you see here, it's got nice zippers there. This is a brown looking color right here. Open it up like this, and you got several slots to put. I can't get hold of them, but you got several slots here to put games. There's 1, 2, 3, 4 different slots. I mean, 4 different sleeves, and that's pretty much it. And each side right there holds 10. So 1 up here on this part and 1 down here. 5 across, 5 across, and then same here. 5 across there, 5 across there. That's 1, and then 5 across and 5 across. That's 20 there, and 10. Then there's another 20. Then another 20. Oops. Okay. Oh, and then there's a card here that they include inside there. It's just a little thing here. You can just read if you want to. Same there. And then when you flip this last one up like that, you got 10 more back here. So there's 80 games will fit in this case. Pretty cool. And it's on Amazon. I put a link in the description for you if you want to buy. And that's the box it comes in right here. And yeah, so it looks pretty good. Please like and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next video. Have an awesome day, and we'll see y'all guys later. Like and subscribe.